Welcome to the AI Prompt Pack's 7 Hidden Rules Pros Use quiz. Test your skills and learn fast. Keep score out of 8. Ready? Let's go. Before we begin, 1. Grab a notepad. Keep score for all 8 questions. 2.
Answer the question with A, B, C. 3.
Stay to the end for quick tips and directions. Let's do this. What do pros always start with before using an AI prompt?
A random idea.
B. Clear purpose. C. Fast typing. Answer. B. Clear purpose. Explain. Pros begin with a clear goal. Engage. Great start. Let's keep going. Why do experts add lots of details to their prompts? A. To make AI guess. B. To layer context. C. To use fewer words. Answer. B. To layer context. Explain. More context means better results. Engage. Nice job, on to the next. What's the best way to get strong results from AI prompts? A. Give all instructions at once. B. Use iterative steps. C. Use random words. Answer. B. Use iterative steps. Explain. Step by step works best. Engage. You're getting the hang of this. How do pros avoid generic or random outputs? A. Be vague. B. Write short prompts. C. Add specifics. Answer. C. Add specifics. Explain. Details guide the AI. Engage. Halfway there, let's go. What do chains of thought prompts help the AI do? A. Type faster. B. Think aloud. C. Use jokes. Answer. B. Think aloud. Explain. It shows reasoning steps. Engage. Doing great, keep it up. What should you always do after getting AI's first draft? A. Post it as is. B. Refine and edit. C. Ignore it. Answer. B. Refine and edit. Explain. Pros improve AI drafts. Engage. Almost done, next one. How do experts make sure their prompt packs improve over time? A. Delete old prompts. B. Build a prompt library. C. Use the same prompt forever. Answer. B. Build a prompt library. Explain. Saving good prompts helps growth. Engage. Last one, finish strong. What's the pre-mortem technique for prompts? A. Guessing wrong answers. B. Imagining misunderstandings. C. Writing fast. Answer. B. Imagining misunderstandings. Explain. It helps fix prompt mistakes. Engage. Well done. Add your score and review the rules. Nice work. Quiz complete. More quizzes drop soon, each tied to its YouTube video or Smart AI Bundle blog post. Want to learn more? Want more tips and ready-to-use prompt packs? Visit the Smart AI Bundle store to see what's inside, compare bundles, and pick the tools that make sense for you.